It is May 31st, 2017, and I found a great spot. It's so fantastic. So over here, they're behind this wall and all this equipment you can see. They are building a culture center and library, a new one. But this is really totally peaceful right here. And I found a chair, so I put it right here to look out on this view. Pretty cool. And you can watch the chemtrails here. And other sky things. Sunset happening over here. There's the sun through the trees. Hear the water, the birds. Just love it. See what's happening over in this direction. Anyway, peaceful place on Mama Island. Bye for now. God bless. Be safe, everyone.